All right, everybody, this part right here is gonna be all about choosing the right partners. We're gonna first start this by talking a little bit about why LaVivid is the right choice for you inside of the hair system market. And then we're gonna talk a little bit about hair system stylists, hair system clubs. We're gonna talk about kind of the state of the industry and why LaVivid has some great options for you as far as moving forward for a great price with great product. All right, so let's talk a little bit about LaVivid. Now, LaVivid's factory partner has been around for 20 years, making toupees and hair systems, things like this. This is not a brand new factory that is making product that you're gonna be exposed to a lot of inconsistency, a lot of malfunction, and things like this. Now, that's something that you may find in other product from other sources. You may find that some of the hair systems that you get that arrive at your door may not be the highest quality. You may order one thing and the color might be a little bit off. You may order one thing and it wasn't produced exactly right. You're not gonna get that with LaVivid. Their partner factory has 20 years of experience, and that's something that should be noted. LaVivid also has their very own factory, and this right here is something that's really, really advantageous for the reason being that they can really keep on innovating and they can keep on producing new models. They can launch new techniques, new types of hair systems, all sorts of things that will keep you looking your absolute best. Now, LaVivid, of course, gets all of their hair from ethically sourced places. Every single strand of hair that arrives inside of one of your hair systems is going to be ethically sourced, meaning that it was voluntary. And this means that all hair sold or exchanged was done so fairly and ethically. This is not the case in every single part of the toupee, hair system, wig, extension market. There are places that get their hair from unethical sources, but this isn't the case with LaVivid, so you can rest easy at night knowing that your money is not funding a bad operation. Now, LaVivid has two offices, two warehouses. They have one in Asia, and then they have one in California. The company itself is registered in California. One of the really important things to LaVivid, and it's extremely important to have this on your journey through having a hair system, is really great customer service. LaVivid cares about customer service because they ultimately know that they have to take care of you, the individuals buying a hair system, the individuals that need a hair system that are affected by hair loss inside of their life. Ultimately, they're trying to serve and help you look and feel your absolute best. Because of this, they are staffed 17 and a half hours a day, ready to take phone calls. And if you email them, you will get a response within 24 hours maximum. That's just incredible. The fact that their entire volume of emails and of phone calls, they're gonna get back to you in at most a single day. Now, there's two different phone lines for you to call depending on what time of day it is, and I'm putting them right here on screen for you. So that way, if you have any questions in the middle of this e-course or as you're moving forward, you can call them any time of day, really, 17 and a half hours a day, which is most of it.